Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
This is where real strength begins, not in front of a mirror, but in the way your body moves, reacts, and performs under pressure. True fitness isn't just about looking strong. It's about being strong when it counts. It's about control, endurance, balance, and the ability to push through fatigue when your body wants to stop. Welcome back to Health Fact 10M, where we break down powerful, practical fitness strategies that help you build a body that actually works in real life, not just in the gym. Today, we're diving deep into 9 highly effective exercises inspired by functional and military-style training. These movements are simple in design, but incredibly powerful in what they deliver. They challenge your entire body, sharpen your coordination, and build the kind of strength that carries over into everyday life. Take your time with each movement, focus on form, and remember, consistency always beats intensity when it comes to long-term progress. Let's begin. 1. Mountain climbers. We start with a movement that often gets underestimated, but only until you actually do it. Why it matters. Mountain climbers are one of the most efficient full-body exercises you can perform. They combine strength, endurance, and coordination into one continuous movement. Your core works hard to stabilize your spine, your shoulders support your upper body, and your legs move quickly to build cardiovascular endurance. This exercise also trains your body to stay controlled while moving fast, which is essential for both athletic performance and injury prevention. How to do it. Start in a high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core tightly. This is key. Now drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, almost like you're running in place while holding a plank. Keep your hips steady and avoid bouncing or sagging. Your movement should be fast, but controlled. Focus on maintaining good posture even as your breathing gets heavier. 2. Farmer's walk. Now we shift from speed and agility to raw, grounded strength. Why it matters. The farmer's walk is one of the most practical strength exercises you can do. It builds grip strength, core stability, and total body endurance all at once. More importantly, it mimics real-life activities, like carrying groceries, lifting heavy objects, or moving equipment. This exercise also teaches your body how to stay stable under load, which is critical for preventing injuries and improving posture. How to do it. Pick up a pair of heavy weights, dumbbells, kettlebells, or any object you can safely carry. Stand tall with your shoulders pulled back and chest lifted. Begin walking forward with slow, controlled steps. Keep your core tight and avoid leaning to either side. Your arms should remain steady, and your grip should stay firm throughout the movement. The goal isn't speed, it's control and endurance. Stay focused with every step. 3. Push-ups. A timeless movement that continues to deliver powerful results. Why it matters. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. But beyond the physical benefits, push-ups build discipline. They teach you how to control your body, how to maintain alignment, and how to push through fatigue, one representative at a time. How to do it. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from head to heels, with your core engaged. Lower your body slowly until your chest comes close to the floor. Then press back up to the starting position. Avoid rushing through the movement. Each representative should be controlled and deliberate. Quality always matters more than quantity. 4. Rope climb. This exercise challenges both your physical strength and your mental focus. Why it matters. Rope climbing is a powerful upper body and grip strength exercise. It also improves coordination and teaches your body to work as a single, connected system. Unlike isolated exercises, rope climbing forces multiple muscle groups to work together, making it highly functional and effective. How to do it. Grip the rope firmly with both hands. Use your legs to clamp and stabilize your position. This reduces strain on your arms. Begin climbing using a hand-over-hand motion while pushing with your legs. Move steadily and stay controlled. Avoid rushing. Efficiency is more important than speed. Every movement should be intentional and balanced. 5. Kettlebell swings. Now we introduce explosive movement into the routine. Why it matters. Kettlebell swings are excellent for developing power, especially through your hips. They also improve endurance and strengthen your posterior chain, which includes your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This movement teaches your body how to generate force quickly, an important skill for both sports and daily activities. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a kettlebell with both hands. Hinge at your hips, pushing them backward while keeping your back straight. Swing the kettlebell back between your legs, Then drive your hips forward powerfully to swing it up to chest level. Your arms should remain relaxed. Let your hips do the work. Focus on smooth, controlled movement rather than forcing the lift. 6. Jumping jacks. It may look simple, but it plays an important role in building endurance. Why it matters. Jumping jacks improve cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and overall stamina. They're also great for warming up your body and increasing blood flow. The repetitive nature of this exercise helps build rhythm and consistency, which are essential for long workouts. How to do it. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet outward while raising your arms overhead. Then return to the starting position and repeat. Keep your movements light and controlled. Stay on the balls of your feet and maintain a steady pace. 7. Squat jumps. Now we combine strength with explosive energy. Why it matters. Squat jumps develop lower body power and improve your ability to move quickly and efficiently. They strengthen your legs while also challenging your cardiovascular system. This exercise is especially useful for building agility and athletic performance. How to do it. Start in a squat position with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body with control, then explode upward into a jump. Land softly with your knees slightly bent, absorbing the impact. Immediately transition into the next representative. Focus on both the jump and the landing. Control is just as important as power. 8. Pull-ups. This is where true upper body strength is tested. Why it matters. Pull-ups target your back, arms, and grip strength. They also require mental toughness, as lifting your own body weight is never easy. This exercise builds functional strength that carries over into real-life movements like pulling, climbing, and lifting. How to do it. Grab a pull-up bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang with your arms fully extended. Pull your body upward until your chin clears the bar, then lower yourself slowly back down. Avoid swinging or using momentum. Keep the movement controlled from start to finish. 9. Tire flip. And now, the most demanding movement on the list. Why it matters. The tire flip is a full body exercise that builds raw strength, coordination, and endurance. It forces your entire body to work together against resistance. This movement is challenging, but incredibly effective for developing real-world strength. How to do it. Stand in front of a tire and squat down low. Grip the bottom edge firmly. Drive through your legs to lift the tire upward. As it rises, push forward until it flips over. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. This exercise requires both strength and technique. Complete workout plan. To get the most out of these exercises, train 3 to 4 times per week. Focus on consistency and proper form. Day 1. Mountain climbers 30 to 45 seconds. Push-ups 12 to 20 reps. Rope climbs 3 to 5 sets. Squat jumps 12 to 15 reps. Day 2. Farmer's walk 30 to 40 seconds. Kettlebell swings 15 to 20 reps. Pull-ups 6 to 12 reps. Tire flips 6 to 8 reps. For recovery days, include jumping jacks in timed intervals, about 1 to 2 minutes per round. Keep your rest periods short to improve endurance and maintain intensity. Real strength isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about showing up, putting in the effort, and gradually building a body that can handle more each day. When you train with purpose and stay consistent, you don't just improve your fitness, you improve your confidence, your energy, and your overall quality of life. So take that first step, stay committed, and keep pushing forward.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.